Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Yazio app. You will go to settings. Sorry, here, this first page of settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find the Yazio app and you will click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.